course, herein, they all looked very humble, very calm, very friendly. And we said, you guys, the same way you're acting very friendly here, how come when we meet you in the field, you are a different lot altogether? We want you to behave out there the same way you're behaving here with us in the boardroom, in a cordial manner, because there's nowhere we break the law. And we put it to them to show us where we break the law. It was a struggle for them to do so. But we are glad that this meeting has happened. And we have told them we have no problem to keep engaging. What's not going to stop is our activities. That one will not stop because our activities are within the law. We shall always notify them. We shall always, welcome them to engage with us, provide security and all of that, but that they should not infringe on our rights. That's the very important thing. Mukono is happening tomorrow. Masaka is happening the day after, and all the other different places, Chotera, Bukoma, and Simbi. What they are going to get back to us about, as we have agreed, is if they have any kind of guidance or whatever the case might be, that they can get back to us, as they have said, in an hour or so. Whatever it is, yeah? But the idea of banning our activities, that one has got no place in the law, and we have agreed on that. So they have said, if there is any particular concern, or if there is a particular route they want us to use and so on, they are going to get back to us. But there's no such thing as banning our activities. So Mukono is happening tomorrow. If there is whichever concern they want to get back to us about, we've told them our lines are open. We've given them our contacts to get back to us. If there's a particular